Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASIN Academy. Now as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we will discuss what is a median and what are the different properties of a median. So without further ado, let's begin with our topic. Suppose we have a triangle and the vertices of the triangle are A, B and C respectively, then median of a triangle is nothing but the straight line that connects the opposite vertex to the base of the triangle, and it also divides it into two equal halves. So I am repeating myself once again, median is nothing but the straight line that connects a vertex to its opposite side, and it also divides it into two equal halves. Now a triangle has not only one but three different medians, so if I name this median as AD, then the straight line that divides the opposite base AC into two equal halves starting from the vertex B is also a median, and we can label it as BE. And same for the vertex C, the straight line that connects AB with the vertex C and divides AB into two equal halves is also a median of the triangle ABC, and we can label it as CF. So AD, CF and BE are the three medians of this triangle ABC. Now there is one important fact to know, that if the lengths of the sides of the triangle are different, then the lengths of the median are also different. So if the lengths of the triangle are A, B and C and they are not equal to each other, and if the lengths of the medians are M, N and L, then they will also not be equal to each other. Now centroid of a triangle is nothing but the intersection point of all the three medians. So the intersection point of all these three medians is the centroid of this triangle ABC. Now centroid of a triangle is generally represented with the letter G. Now there is one important point to note, that is the centroid divides the medians in the ratio of 2:1. So I can say that AG is to GD is equal to 2:1. So if the length of GD is equal to 3 cm, then the length of AG is equal to 6 cm. Now this property is valid for all the three medians. If AG by GD is equal to 2/1, then BG by GE is also equal to 2/1, and CG by GF is also equal to 2/1. Now there is an important property related to the median of a triangle, and that is odd number of medians divide the triangle into 2n equal areas, where n is the number of medians of the triangle. So if a triangle has one median, then it divides the triangle into two equal areas, and if the triangle has three medians, then it divides the triangle into 6 equal areas. Now since this property is only valid for odd number of medians, so when the number of medians is equal to 2, it does not divide the triangle into 4 equal parts. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ASIN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ASIN Academy.